So I want you guys to think of this. If every time you open a website, you could actually make a lot of income streams. It's gonna make you earn up to $1,000 every single day. It's absolutely amazing. There's no joke to this. And I'm gonna be teaching you how you can do it right away. So if you wanna make sure that you get to do this successfully, then make sure you What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. I promise you guys that by the end of today's video, you're gonna be a pro and you're already on your way to achieving your financial stability that you've always dreamed of and have so much money on your own, and you have all the freedom in the world to choose to do whatever you want with that money because it's yours. So let's jump right into it. Our first website is called Upvoice. Now, it's not much of a website, but it's more like an extension that you can add to your Google Chrome browser. So you have to use Google Chrome to make this method work. Now, let's get to know the website before we proceed to sign up and the download process and everything. So once we are on the information website, okay, here, you can find Upvoice is where you can start earning gift cards just by visiting social media platforms on your computer if you're an avid user of social media, or if you call yourself maybe like a social media addict, then this is definitely something for you. But in today's day and age, I believe that everybody just uses social media already, so this method will work for anyone at all. And how does Upvoice work? As you can see right here, everything can be executed in just as little as 3 simple steps. First step, you're gonna install the Upvoice browser extension after you sign up, which we will be getting into in a bit while the installation is safe and free and easy to use. And step 2, all you can do is visit their supported social media platforms that you love based on the instructions that are gonna be given to you. And step 3, you're gonna earn as you use all of this and as you browse through the social media platforms. Upvoice anonymously captures the ads and gives you daily points that you can redeem for gift cards. Now, you're basically just free to explore the entire page and discover more and maybe just know more and read more on it if you want to. And then it has all the details that you're looking for, so no problem with that. And now we can proceed to the sign up process. You're just gonna click on this blue button in the middle that says sign up, and then it's gonna take you to this page where you're gonna now officially start the process of the registration. Now, you have an option to sign in. You can use either Google, Microsoft, or Yahoo. So you can just choose whatever method that's the most convenient for you. And then once you've signed up, we can just go back to the next step. So, before anything else, I want you guys to comment down below what country you reside in and what your favorite or preferred payment method is, so that my next video will be more relevant to my subscribers. And let's keep going then. And now we can start with the actual step number 1, which is to install the extension to your Google Chrome browser. Now, once you do this, okay, now you possess already the power to finally make and take that stream of income that we promised you that's gonna make you up to $1,500 easily. And now you can do this while you're lying down on your bed, while you're waiting in a grocery line. You can do this while you're having lunch or whatever. It's super great. So basically, it's amazing, right? So we're in the clear to go on to the next website for today's video, and that's it for Upvoice. And our next website is called Brave.com, and you guys should know that Brave is a browser. It's just like Google, but you know, when you use Google, right, you get a lot of good results. For Brave, you also get a lot of good results with some money using search keywords. Now, I want to tell you, Brave is just the same. It offers the same efficiency and very easy to use, very quick results, and super relevant to a lot of people and to what you're looking for. And what makes Brave really special is that one simple word, money, with Brave, you can actually earn money. Just for example, you have the word money, you have the word table, you have the word hello. You can earn money because they offer you the service of gaining rewards just to browse and support your favorite content creators, like I mentioned in the very beginning of this entire video. So this means that you are in the center of the world and the websites all work just according to your favor. And with that said, you should be happy to know that Brave works amazing in all of the devices that you have available, and either Android or iOS, so no problem there at all. And all you have to do basically is just download this, and then you can start making money. That's literally it. It has a great rating. There's no reason for you not to try it. And that's pretty much it for Brave. Now, before we finish up for today's video, if you are having fun with today's video so far, then make sure that you like this video and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And of course, comment about all of the wonderful things that you're loving so far, or maybe leaving some suggestions down below. Anything and all will be appreciated. Now let's get back into the video. Finally, we head on over to the third and the last website, and it is called Qumi. And right away, you're gonna see that Qumi is all about, this is where you can actually just share your opinion and shop to earn real cash rewards. Now remember, you are not going to earn real actual cash. You are gonna earn real cold hard cash, not swag, not points, nothing like that, but a real cold hard cash. And they really make sure to emphasize that because some people will take it the wrong way. And you can just basically go through the entire website and find out everything that you want to know about. So let's have a little tour. If you scroll down a little bit, you're gonna find three main things that Qumi has to offer. First are service. Businesses want to know your opinion and they want to pay you for it. Second is cashback. Earn cashback on great products and enjoy your wallet being a little bit bigger at the end of the month. And lastly, deals. Find deals on the biggest brands around, or just let them show you ones you will like. And all of these will stem from this one giant platform, which is Qumi. Now, if you continue to scroll down, you're gonna find their wonderful reception. As they say right here, they're kind of a big deal with decent ratings on Trustpilot, and Trustpilot is a reliable source of knowing how good a website or digital product is, so you're in wonderful hands. And next up is we're gonna find out how this whole thing works, okay? Qumi is gonna do all of the work for you. You're just gonna perform quick steps to start and commence the entire thing. You can start surveys while you do normal day-to-day activities, and then just accomplish these surveys and earn money every single day, even while you're just eating, or you're studying, or you're reading, or you're going to your actual main work. And also, just to make sure that you guys have a good payment method, all you need is a PayPal account. It's super easy to claim your money through there, so you can also create that one. And then you can go back to the top portion of the page and then start the sign up process, fill in all of the details being asked of you. And once there's nothing left for you to do, you can hit on the sign up button. And that's pretty much it. You can start. Now, one thing that I want you guys to take note, sadly, it's only available currently in select countries like the USA, the UK, Canada, Australia, and France. So if you guys live in any of those countries, then you can do this. If you don't, then you can just use VPN service to be able to access this, or you can just do our two previous websites. No problem with that at all. So that's pretty much it, and we'll see you guys in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.